My name's Rebecca Williams and I'm a Law Fellow at Pembroke. I'm one of the 2 permanent Law Fellows along with Ariel Izraki. And I teach and research criminal law and administrative law. Well, I grew up in Manchester and I went to a state school there, and I moved for the last year of my A-levels to Reading, where I also went to a state school. And from there I applied to do law at Worcester College. And so I came up as an undergraduate and read law at Worcester for 4 years in total, because I did the 3-year undergrad and then I stayed on for an extra year to do the BCL, which is the 1-year taught masters course that the law faculty does here. And then from there I went to do a PhD studentship in Birmingham, which was also the first time that I got to start teaching, and I did that for 3 years. And then from there I got a 5-year fellowship at Robinson College in Cambridge, which was a sort of full-time fellowship of the college and teaching position, but it was only a 5-year fellowship, so within that I needed to look for another job, and 4 years into that the advert came up for the job at Pembroke, so I applied for the job here and I came in 2005 and I've been here ever since. Fellows do a lot of different things, actually. It's one of the things I really like about the job, is that it has a lot of different aspects. So I often tell people it's really like I have 3 jobs. So I teach, which I really like doing. I teach undergrads both here in tutorials, and I also teach in the faculty. I give lectures and seminars and this kind of thing. But I also do quite a lot of administration, both here and in the faculty, sitting on committees and doing things to help with the running of the college and the running of the law faculty. So, and also the running of the individual students' law degrees, working out what subjects they're going to study and who's going to tutor them and all of that kind of thing. And then I also do research, so the subjects that I teach are also the ones that I write about. So quite often if I have ideas when I'm talking to people and we think actually this doesn't make a whole lot of sense, then that means it's a clue for me to go and look at that area a bit more and maybe write about it, and maybe write an article or something about it saying, well, actually the law is problematic as it is and maybe this is how it should be changed. So as I always say, like, I have 3 jobs and I like all of them, so I'm really lucky.